How to set C translation on Facebook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable post translation on the Facebook app. So with these settings, you will be able to see C translation option for post written in other languages. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, I always recommend updating your Facebook app to the latest version. So this ensures that you have access to the newest features and settings. So now let me quickly show you that I am using the most up-to-date version of the Facebook. And here, as you can see, I have installed the latest version of Facebook. So now let's open the Facebook app. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the menu section. And once you are here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down over to the preferences, and under this section you can see the option label as language and region. So simply tap on that. Now under here in the second option, you can see the option label as language into which you would like to have post translated. So simply tap on that. And now here you will see the option to choose your preferred translation language. So simply select your desired language. For example, I have chosen English, and once you're done with that, simply tap on save. And that's it. Now, whenever you come across a post in another language, the scene translation option will be available, making it easier for you to understand the content from the different parts of the world. And that's it. That's how you can enable translation for posts on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.